Good afternoon, grade sixes. Last week we watched the video, Les pièces de la maison, or learn the names of the rooms in the house. So this week I have an activity that goes along with the video that you watched last week. If you look here, it's just read and translate into English. Pretty straightforward. But if you are having any issues, I also attached a dictionary in case you need it. And if you look here at the bottom, it's an added challenge. If you think the first part of the activity is too easy, you can try the one at the bottom. There's also example has been given. Mom's in the basement, and kind of go from there. If you have any questions, concerned, you can send me an email. Have a good day.